Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to RC Overdose. This is Dev coming to you, and this morning is an amazing weather here, plus 12, which is awesome. And I'm here in, shorts and a hoodie, so that's pretty good. I'm enjoying it. And I took the Rustler through some slushes, puddles, and whatnot because I just wanted to see how SideWinder3 performs with water, and it turned out pretty good. So I'm down here in the trails, but the trails are kind of, watery and whatnot. So it's kind of hard to drive the RC intact, straight. I tried my best, and then I did some free play in the ground back here. So I hope you enjoy the video, and thanks a lot for tuning in RC Overdose.